While the train is moving, we hear the sound like duck duck, duck duck, duck duck, right?
Yes.
Where does it come from, Bob?
It comes because of railway track, Joe. Actually, the tracks are arranged with small gaps at regular intervals. When the train passes those gaps, it makes that sound.
Gaps? But why there are gaps at regular intervals, Bob?
The iron track expands on summer because of sun heat. Those gaps allow the track to expand. Thus, it won't damage the track in summer.
Heat? Expansion?
Yes, Joe. Solids expand on heating. Look at this spring, Joe. Let's hit it with a Bunsen burner and see what happens.
It's expanding, Bob. So, heat affects solids.
Not only solids, Joe. Heat also affects liquids and gases.
Really? Bob, show me that in practical, please.
Okay, Joe. To explain the effect of heat in liquids, we need test tube, rubber cork, glass tube, and 2 beakers with hot and cold water. Fill the test tube with colored water and close it with a single-holed rubber cork, which is inserted with a glass tube. Now, let's place this test tube in hot water. See here, the water level is rising. Now, let's cool it with cold water. See, the raised water level is coming down.
Yes, Bob. It's like a magic.
It's not magic, Joe. It is science.
What about gases, Bob?
Even gases expand on heating, Joe. For this, let's take an empty test tube. Now, take glass tube and insert plastic tube in it. Now, insert glass tube in the test tube with the help of rubber cork. Now, fill some colored water in the plastic tube. Let's heat it with candle.
Hey, Bob. It is racing.
Yes, Joe, the air present in the test tube expands because of the heat produced from candle, which will make the water to rise.
Thank you, Bob.
Okay.